So I'm in Kengeri now. So we have a beautiful leadership training camp happening now. So I'm sitting in one of the beautiful ever nature spots. So I'm going to tell you about what are the three important reasons in which a student should basically participate for a leadership training camps. So whenever you're taking up any kind of responsibility, it is very important for you to reorient yourself. So here comes the first important point, that is about, in order to build on yourself, you must understand the entire system functions, because you're going to govern it, or your entire leadership element is going to be functioning from that particular system out of it. So the point number one speaks about, for understanding more about your organization or more about your people, this particular leadership training camps can basically help you. So please do register for it or just participate for it. Point number two, it is very important that being a leader, you should be very considerate how to build on your teams, how to handle the situations when it is very tough, when it is very high, when to basically upscale your teammates, when you should basically hire as well as fire. So it's very important that when you're participating for such kind of team leadership bondings, you will be learning on how your entire teammate should basically behave. It could be basically some kind of fun activities when you do it. You know, for example, it could basically be holding a rope, pulling from both angles. You'll be learning a leadership element out of it. So there you'll be knowing how to delegate the work, which person's strength can basically hold. For example, a person who has a lot of extra muscles, he can basically hold the big rope. For example, a person who has less amount of energy, he'll just stand front. So some person can just guide through voices. That is also fine. So you will learn the strength and weakness by participating in a competition, or especially when such kind of events as leadership training camp. Third important element is basically when you are going for leadership training camps, you will meet leaders like you, similar way of other people. So what happens? You will get inspired from them, you will learn from them, plus along with that you will learn how you can apply in your life, how you're not supposed to apply in your life. So yes, these are the three important elements which you're supposed to keep in your mind while joining for a leadership training camp, or if you're a leader, it's very important for you to participate for such kind of leadership training camps.